Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get your home screen back to normal. Yes, maybe you had a launcher on your app, your phone, and your home screen is not like normal and you want it to be normal like before. So first thing you have to do is open up your phone settings and scroll down to apps. So once you scroll down to apps, click on apps and you're going to scroll to get default apps. You're going to see choose default apps and you're going to click on home apps. Once you click on home apps, you make sure it's actually on one UI home, not the other one. So make sure you actually click down on this. So once you're done here, you're going to go back and be on the apps, right? You're going to actually search for one UI. So this actually, so you're going to select this from here, click on it, and you have to scroll down to storage right here. Click on storage and you're going to see two options. You're going to see clear data and clear cache. So you're going to actually click on clear cache, and if it actually goes back to normal, you're good to go. But if it's still looking the way it is, you have to click on clear data. And remember, your home screen will actually be cleared and go back to normal. So this is literally how to do it. If you find this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.